Hey y'all, it's Ann from What's Up Family Home, and today I have a delicious cinnamon roll casserole for you. So quick and easy, but so good, and it would be perfect for your breakfast on Christmas morning. So I just used 2 packs of cinnamon rolls, and the first pack were grands, and they were really good. They were grand. They were nice and plump biscuits, but the other ones I got from the store, they were just the store brand, and they weren't as good. And just cut those up into fourths. And see how little that thing was? But it still worked out in the end. It was delicious. So just cut those up and then put them in a greased pan in one layer. And then just take your 4 eggs and 2/3 cup of heavy cream. I'm going to add some cinnamon, a teaspoon or so. And it didn't call for vanilla, but I put in 2 little drops. And just mix that egg mixture together really well, and pour it over your cinnamon rolls, and just make sure you get everything coated really well. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and then pour a 1/4 cup of maple syrup over the top, make it even better. And put it in the 350 degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then take your icing from the cinnamon rolls. I heated mine up in the microwave for about 10 or 15 seconds just to make it pourable, and just cover it with the icing. I mean, how good does that look? Pair it with some bacon and eggs or some sausage. That would just be the perfect breakfast. But we really loved it. I took it over to the grandkids, and they really loved it, and they had it for breakfast. So this is just a perfect and easy breakfast to have. So I hope you'll make it for your Christmas morning breakfast, or anytime. It would be good. And you can do it overnight too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.